guys, welcome to Medification. Today we have a special guest, our friend Shahan Layek. So welcome to our channel.
Hello, I'm Shahan Layek and I make medical and nursing videos for helping MBBS and nursing students. I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Shahan Layek.
Okay, Shahan, welcome to our channel. And how is life going on in this current time?
Oh, life is good and but it is some boring because of the quarantine. But it's okay now. We are familiar with it.
So, like today we will have a session on the first year MBBS life. So I would like to ask you some questions because many aspirants do have the same question. So, like, how did you handle with anatomy? Because that's the most nightmare and horror for every medical student in the first year.
Yes,
So
yes,
how did you
yes.
handle it?
Uh, yes, anatomy is really a very tough subject because every medical students think that it is actually a horror, but actually it is not.
Yeah,
Like if you study anatomy with the help of atlas, or if you study anatomy with the help of the cadaver, whenever in the practical class we go, we generally waste our time. Like we do not do the practicals which is assigned to us. Just try to utilize that time and also try to relate what you have learned in your book and with the help of the cadaver, and also try to watch some anatomy videos, and that will be very helpful. You can also download some anatomy apps. Like there are so many apps available. You can just search in the Play Store, where you can just click on a particular body parts and it will be zoom out, and you can watch all the muscles and try to remember the name of the muscles and bones in such a way that it is very easy. Like
yeah, very
labrum
systematic.
means
Yeah.
lips related. In this way you just try to find out the Latin meaning and it will be easier.
And
Okay, what?
yeah, and everyone has the same question that how about neuroanatomy? Like how to go about that? Because there are various things to remember and how to deal with it.
Neuroanatomy is people think that it is tough, but actually if you correlate the neuroanatomy with your Nater's atlas or whatever atlas you have,
Yeah,
it
exactly.
is
Yeah.
not so much tough one. For neuroanatomy you can also refer any YouTube channel. Like there are so many YouTube channel, I will not promote anything here. And you just don't think that neuroanatomy is a tough one and it is something different from
Yeah.
anatomy. Just think that it is just a part
Yeah.
of anatomy
Like
and it is very easy. Just first have this assumption in your mind and try to correlate it with the help of atlas and diagrams, and that will really help you in your remaining in your pictographic memory.
yeah, mainly the revision thing is the most important part in anatomy, and like the
Yes, yes.
dissection classes, because they are the interesting, and like also from that we can learn the various structures and anatomy of the bones. So yeah,
Yes.
and what about biochemistry? That's another subject, because yeah, that's interesting
Yes.
subject, but there is a vast thing to read and it's a volatile subject. So how to go about that?
Yes, for biochemistry, people generally become terrified because there are so
Yeah,
many reactions there, and
exactly.
you need to remember all the reactions. Like there are so many enzymes also there in the biochemistry, and you have to remember the disease that is associated with that enzyme. So, how can I remember biochemistry? For
Exactly.
biochemistry, you just need flowcharts. That's the best thing you can do. You make
Yeah.
flowchart. You can do it in your copy, or you just buy something, some book which where there are a lot of flowcharts. This will really help you, and try to revise it. Most of the time you can do MCQ on that. So in this way, by with the help of diagrams and also with the help of flowcharts, mainly in biochemistry, it will really help you.
Yeah, but the main thing again here, the revision part is very important, because if you just
Yes.
paste the like the chart in the wall and don't go through it, then again after 1 week it will be just gone. So yeah, so mainly yeah,
Yes.
flowcharts and this revision is the main key again, and it's like the what about physiology? It's a bit basics of human body and like how
Yes.
to deal with it. Like systematically, how can we read physiology?
Like first of all, physiology is a very basic science of medical world, but like it is actually the normal function of the body for any organ. If you are studying, you just you before studying the pathology, before studying the disease part of that, you need to know about the normal thing. Just think in this way, that what is the normal function of this organ, what is the normal function of various tissues of our body. So if
Exactly.
you
Yeah.
just think in a way and watch videos, and I think that will really very easy. And physiology is not a tough one, because everyone
No,
in medical
but
school love
yeah, but
physiology.
yeah, but I would like to say one thing. Now we are, as we are reading pathology, we are finding it like how physiology is very important,
Yes.
because physiology is very important for the pathology. And from the pathology point of view, the physiology is the like it's the normal functioning of the body. And now in pathology, we are reading like what is the pathogenesis, etiology, and of various diseases. So yeah, and how is life now?
Life is totally bored, and just we are trying to make it interesting with the help of this YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Okay.
I would just like to end this session by like how would you like motivate the students, because in this quarantine period everyone is like bored, and like how would you motivate about them about studying, because it's hard.
Like the first thing is in this quarantine, people are just watching the phones and
Yeah,
doing
exactly.
every social networking app and wasting their time all the time.
Plus
Like you don't have to do like that.
Mirzapur 2 is also released.
Yes, yes.
So yeah.
Everyone is watching that.
Yeah, yeah.
So I am not saying that don't watch Bijapur.
Exactly.
Watch it, obviously.